Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how did all of this come into existence? How did the stars, planets, and galaxies appear from nothing? The question of the universe's beginning is one of the oldest and most profound questions humanity has ever asked. Science gives us pieces of the puzzle. Cosmologists tell us about the Big Bang, the rapid expansion of space from a singular point around 13.8 billion years ago. Physics explains how matter, energy, and forces interact to form stars, planets, and galaxies. But while science can describe the how, it struggles to answer the why and the ultimate origin. What caused the universe to exist in the first place? Divine revelation offers insight. The Quran states, "Do not, the disbelievers, see that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Then will they not believe?" Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. This verse describes the heavens and the earth starting as a single connected entity which aligns remarkably with modern cosmology's understanding of the universe's origin, a singular state expanding to form all that we see today. It also highlights that life itself originates from water, a fact confirmed by biology. Every living organism is composed largely of water and depends on it for survival. Logic also supports this understanding. Everything that begins to exist must have a cause. The universe had a beginning, so it too must have a cause outside of itself, something eternal, infinite, and powerful enough to bring existence from non-existence. The Quran affirms this. He is the first and the last, the ascendant and the intimate, and He is of all things knowing. Surah Al-Hadid 57:3. The Creator is beyond time and space, the necessary cause of everything that exists. Science can study the universe's evolution after its beginning, but only revelation points to the ultimate source, a conscious, purposeful Creator. The universe is also perfectly ordered. The precise physical constants, the complexity of galaxies, the conditions for life on Earth, all of this points to design rather than random chance. Astrophysicists recognize that even the tiniest variation in gravity or atomic structure would make life impossible. Logic suggests that such precision is not accidental. The Quran mirrors this. It is Allah who created the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in 6 days. Then He established Himself above the throne. You have not besides Him any protector or any intercessor, so will you not be reminded. Surah As-Sajdah 32:4. Here, creation is purposeful, structured, and intentional. The universe is not chaotic. It follows laws, patterns, and harmony that allow life to exist, which both logic and science confirm. But the beginning of the universe is not only a question of physics, it is a question of meaning. Why was there something rather than nothing? Why does the universe allow life to emerge, consciousness to flourish, and intelligence to reflect on itself? Every living being, including you and me, is part of this vast creation, connected to the laws of the cosmos. Our existence points to intention, purpose, and wisdom. Even the smallest details of the universe, water cycles, ecosystems, and planetary orbits, are perfectly balanced. Science shows us that the Earth's distance from the Sun is precisely suited for life, that water is abundant and essential, and that atoms form complex molecules capable of supporting life. Logic and observation together reinforce the Quranic message. The universe is a sign, a manifestation of a deliberate, intelligent Creator. The Quran also reminds us to reflect, "Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the night and the day are signs for those of understanding." Surah Al-Imran 3:190. Observing the universe is not just an exercise in curiosity. It is an invitation to recognize order, wisdom, and purpose. The heavens are vast, but every star, planet, and particle testifies to a design beyond random chance. Science describes mechanisms, but the ultimate cause is metaphysical, eternal, and absolute. So, how did the universe begin? The evidence from science, logic, and revelation converge. It began from a singular, precise point, brought into existence by a conscious, infinite creator, with order, balance, and purpose. Life, matter, and energy all emerge from this source, and our own existence within this universe reflects that same divine wisdom. When you gaze at the stars tonight, remember, every particle, every orbit, every drop of water, and every living being is part of a creation that points to intentional design. The universe did not appear by chance. It was willed, structured, and brought into existence with purpose. Science explains how it unfolds, but logic and revelation tell us why.